Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2026 Volkswagen ID4. Drive boldly into the future in this stylish, all-electric ID4. SUV capability, clean lines, and a silent, silky ride let you express your modern sense of style. Earth-friendly efficiency and flexible charging options help you make the most of every journey. Don't miss the chance to drive this sleek and spacious ID4. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.